Hello everyone, I'm here back again with another stretch marks removing oil, which is bio oil. You all heard about this product, I assume. Bio oil is a really very good brand, stretch marks oil, and this is quite popular. So, this is not my first bottle. Stop, stop, stop. If you heard that this is not my first bottle and stopped the video and just thought that this is really a good product, then you are going to do a great mistake. So you have to watch the full video and my review about that product and why I am using the second bottle. I have answered that question as well. So yes, first let me tell you the packaging. That is absolutely fantastic, as you can see that. And this oil is 125 ml. You can see that this is manufactured in South Africa, and you can use that bottle for 36 months after opening. Wow, 36 months. That's quite a lot of time, right? Yes. Now let me tell you the pricing. This is quite expensive stretch marks oil. I bought it on 12 pounds on sale. Generally, you will get it on 18 pounds or 17 pounds from any drugstore or super drug or Boots anywhere. But if you buy on sale, then you will get it on 12 pounds or 15 pounds maybe. So yes, now let me tell you that how it works and why I use this one. So it has claimed that this one is specialist for scar and stretch marks. This reduces the scar, stretch marks, uneven skin tones, aging and hydrated skin. This is very good for aging and hydrated skin. And they also claim that you can use it for uneven skin tone and you can use it for scars. If you have scars on your hand or face, you can use this one and that will remove this one. So let me show you. It has a very mild relaxing fragrance, and the packaging is very good. It doesn't come out a lot, so if you want to take 2 drops or 3 drops or 4 drops, you can take it easily. So this one absorbed really quick and does not create any stain on your clothes. Okay, so as you can see that this gives a really good glow on your skin. So basically this is my second bottle because I love the fragrance and it did not reduce my stretch marks. So I'm disappointed on that. I have used it before as well, but I am using this right now because to give myself a bit of relaxation, because the smell is absolutely fantastic and I hope that it will hydrate my skin. So this is a very good oil for hydrating your skin and gives a really good moisturizing effect on your skin, on your stretch marks. It could be old or new, and sometimes I use it on my face because if you can see the ingredient in here, you will see that it has got vitamin A and vitamin E, which is very very good for face as well. So sometimes I put it on my face as well to reduce the blemishes and uneven skin tone. And you will get it in small size as well, 60 ml, 125 ml, 200 ml. They have various sizes available in market. You will get it on Superdrug, on Boots, and you just have to wait for the offer if you want to get it in cheap price. Other than that, yes, this is a oil which is good for moisturizing your skin. And if you are oil fan, then you can definitely buy this one. But if you are hoping that it will reduce your stretch mark, then it's not gonna do this. Trust me, it's not gonna reduce your stretch mark at all. I mean, at least for me, I have quite a lot stretch marks on my tummy due to pregnancy, and it does not help at all. Still, I'm using this one because, in the hope that it moisturizes the tummy's area and it gives it a good moisturizing effect all day. So you can use it minimum 2 to 3 times a day. During pregnancy you can use this one, and they suggest that during pregnancy apply from the start of the second trimester. So yeah, you can use it from the start of the second trimester, when basically the stretch marks appear. It was my review about bio oil skin care oil, and I just gave my review honestly. And though it's an expensive brand and expensive oil, it does not work that much. Still, to give it a good moisturizing effect on the scar area or stretch marks area, I just used it for that one. Hope you guys like my honest review. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. I will come up with some more amazing reviews very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.